G'day everyone, I'm Paul, this is Ross. We're super excited to bring you some news today about our expansion here at the Remarkables.
That's right, Paul. We are replacing this fixed grip sugar bowl chairlift with a brand new detachable 6-seater for fast laps, top to bottom. This is all about bringing the family experience to another level here at the Remarkables. And of course that includes 2.5 kilometres of brand new trails to support our existing 4 kilometres of trails already accessed off sugar bowl chair. We've also got 32 new guns coming in to support that trail network, top to bottom. We're excited about that, we hope you are too.
This new high-speed 6-seater chairlift into sugar bowl positions us for further expansion still. The next phase is going to be over in Shadow Basin. We'll be talking about a high-speed lift there in the coming years, and then ultimately positioning this ski area to head over the ridge to the Doolins. And we're excited about getting there. That's some of the best terrain in the Southern Lakes area. We're looking forward to getting there. We're looking forward to seeing you guys up here soon.